Yo, what is going on? It is Wednesday, July 29th, 10:46 a.m. No trades today. Today was pre-FOMC morning. So coming into the day originally, I already was not looking for anything in particular, was not super excited to even kind of entice myself into taking anything. I just wanted to see if maybe we got a really nice setup or something decent, then I'd take it on all my accounts. If not, I was shooting the long ball to try to get a payout on this other account because I need $900 more. But let's get into what we seen today unfold. So yeah, wait, shit, this is my higher time frame. It's for long-term investments. Okay. Obviously in the daily, we don't have a daily gap. We were still technically reacting out of this small daily fair value gap. ES didn't have anything. ES was respecting this one. We still obviously were respecting this one. Previous day high was a high inside of a daily gap. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see we still have all of these gaps that we haven't filled, but NQ has filled. So more of the reason to continue just going lower. Then here we just same thing, just a lot of accumulation. Nothing to really in particular seek out. Not really a lot of low resistance or anything. So just really waiting to see where the market sends me. At pre-market, what I wanted to see was this trade unfold. As you can see, we had a 15-minute right there. To be honest, it was just tag into this 15-minute up here and dump through this 1 minute, but we never got the closure on this 1 minute. And when that 1 minute dumped, this 30-second as well, as you can see, never got the closure as it fell through my drawn liquidity, which was down here. I believe it was London low. Then you had this London like gap taking to go towards London low. I'm sorry. Still, didn't really care for that. Then we flew back up. I was looking to take this gap up here and go break even at the equal highs, but as you can see, never even tagged the gap. Then we shit the bed back down. Still nothing in here in particular that I wanted to see. ES was already SMT'd with this low, I believe. No, it wasn't. So why something stopped me from taking this? I just wasn't keen on taking this. Then once we got this inverse down here to go towards London low, we did run out London low before I could get in on it. And then the only other trade that really enticed me would have been this long over here that I've been waiting on. We put in these equal highs. We swept out previous day low. Both assets swept out previous day low. So we had a liquidity sweep on both assets. The only issue was that it was already past like EQ of the range damn near. No, it wasn't. This is recent. I'm sorry. But yeah, the only problem was that EQ of the range was immediately lined up with the gap. So if we closed over midnight, I believe we could have gone into 0.62 and at least taken these equal highs just for higher, internal rebalance. But yeah, I would have taken this 30-second gap to these equal highs, which we didn't get. Then there was also this gap that I would have taken. Probably not because we were right there. It was probably this gap I would have taken, but it just dumped way too low. And I think it hit like London or some shit before that. And nothing really in here that really enticed me. It was mostly this gap enticed me the most. This gap enticed me the most. And the one up here enticed me the most. Neither of them ever amounted because, as you can see, this ran too low. This never even got inverted. And now it's just dumping lower. But yeah, like I said, we have FOMC today. So, shit, that was my funded futures account that I haven't really even traded at all. That I'm just being a bitch on. But yeah, nothing at all today, pre-FOMC day. So we'll get back into it tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe we have red folder, some decent news on Friday. So we'll get back into it for the rest of the week. Let's try to make this one account only needs $900, and I can take a $1,200 payout, I believe it is, on this account. So let's try our best to get there and get this $1,200 payout. Still waiting on my payout money from the other things. And yeah, it's been nice. Just gotta one more thing too. Have to be more proactive on my Lucid and my funded future. I'm mostly sitting back and just taking my entries on these alphas because they were so close to payout, and now this other one is. So I need to be more proactive on them. I hate having to trade on two screens. I'm sorry if I sound like a broken record, keep on saying this shit, but I genuinely do. And yeah, that's all that I really have for you today. Again, nothing pre-FOMC morning. Maybe I trade PM with my fucking my funded motherfucking futures. Peace, love, positivity.